Good morning.
Good morning. How much was it for? Yes, I'm coming. I didn't turn it off. I got it.
So I'm waiting for you.
I'm coming. I'll take a picture.
We have another demonstration here. How you doing, my brother? Are you showing her how to do a single or a double weave?
Single.
Single weave? How long will it take to get something like that completed?
It can take about 2 months.
2 months, wow.
No.
Take it back.
Yes, yes, good morning, good morning. How everybody feeling?
Good.
See, are you making a lot of sales today?
No?
See,
Today?
yes.
Today says?
So who's making all of the money here, selling all of the Kente?
Today, for me, I'm not seeing anybody, but I hope everything is good.
All right, what about you? You're a good professional salesman.
That's not like it's good,
I am
but
professional.
in terms of the selling, it's not
In
good.
terms of the style, it's not good. Have a nice day.
So if someone was over here shopping, would you give them a good price?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the one we're waiting for.
So you're waiting for some bargains.
Yeah. If you want to give you a good price.
Good morning.
You have for business.
Yes, good morning. We have our good brother here. Are you having a good time? Here at Kente Weaving Village, Bonwire. How's your bargaining skills going?
Getting there.
Have you made any good deals yet?
A couple.
No problem, next time.
Who's this for?
Son of God, Kente store.
Kente store.
We have the big shop at the town.
Hold the card up.
Here's the review center. Son of God, Kente store.
By the times, normally you don't like this.
Yes, fellas, how's the bargaining going?
We're trying to bargain, bro. We're trying to bargain.
Is he giving you a good deal or is he tough on the bargaining?
This coat of many colors, you have about 7 parts.
What you asking for this? What's the price for this? How many yards is this?
This is 65, 2 years.
How much for this?
65. Yeah, this double weaving.
65, don't you mean like 45? 45 CDs?
No, 65 Ghana cedis.
I'm more feeling 45 Ghana CDs on
We'll
this.
pay 45 Ghana cedis.
Yes, definitely. I think that's a good price, good deal.
Good deal for you. You come up, I'll give it to you.
Oh, you say it's not a good deal for you?
Yeah.
What is a good deal for you? About 55?
We take it for 60.
45?
No, 45.
50?
How about 50?
Sold.
And what about the little?
The power of negotiating and networking.
What you selling these small pieces for?